Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change language with your Nintendo Switch. To do this, you'll need to go to your settings, and you're doing it by pulling this stick to the right. But first you need to have the downside, this side, highlighted, because you can go up and down like this. And from here you'll be able to choose the games. And if you go down, you can choose the many options like news and stuff, but we're going to the settings. So let's move to the settings. Press A. Now go down with your stick, the same, and find a setting called System. It's at the bottom. Now you'll need to move your stick to the right, then go down until you reach Language. You press A. And from here you can choose your preferred language. For example, here we'll choose French. And the console will ask you to restart, and you need to press restart if you want to change the language, but I'm not gonna do that. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.